How to remove Silver Sparrow Trojan from Mac. FYI, Silver Sparrow is a Trojan that infects Macs with the M1 chip. It uses the macOS Installer Javascript API to execute commands. Here is a script file that you can use to remove Silver Sparrow from Mac. #bin/bash #remove Silver Sparrow #check if Silver Sparrow is installed if d/application/Silver Sparrow, then echo Silver Sparrow is not installed exit 1fi #delete the Silver Sparrow folder rmrf/application/Silver Sparrow #delete the Silver Sparrow preference file rmrf/library/preferences/com.silversparrow.silversparrow.plist. #delete the Silver Sparrow launch agent rmrf/library/launchagent/com.silversparrow.silversparrow.plist. #restart your computer reboot to use this script, save it as a file called remove-silver-sparrow.sh and then run it from a terminal window. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide. Here are some additional steps you can take to prevent future adware infections. * Keep your Mac up to date with the latest security patches. * Only download files from trusted sources. * Be careful about what websites you visit and what links you click on. * Use a Mac antivirus program or Mac adware removal tool to scan your Mac for adware regularly.